As the sun rises softly over the village, a special morning begins. 100 people gather with hope and excitement. Boys, young men, elders all walking together, carrying nets, rods, and baskets, heading toward the Beel. The white Beel shines under golden light, covered with water lilies, calm and full of promise. Step by step, they enter the cool, waist-deep water. Ripples spread as laughter fills the air. Nets fly, rods dip, and the water comes alive. Fish shimmer beneath the surface. A young boy lifts his net, his first catch. Joy bursts from every direction. Now everyone is catching fish. Smiles grow wider as bags slowly fill. Even the birds join the feast, diving from the sky to snatch their share before flying away. A big catch draws a crowd. Laughter, cheers, and shining eyes reflect the happiness of the moment. Under the morning sun, the Beel becomes a festival of life, simple, colorful, and full of joy.